Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make coffee and spice cookies. Start, we're going to need a quarter cup of butter. We're going to cream that together with our sugar. We're going to add 1 egg. We're going to mix that until it is well combined. Then we're going to add our vanilla. We're going to add our strong brewed coffee. And we're going to add our fruit wine. I'm going to mix that all together. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. I'm going to roll into a ball and dust with some flour. This helps to prevent stickiness and it also helps to give your cookies a better shape. We're going to roll this into our sugar mixture. We're going to gently flatten our cookies. We're going to bake in an ungreased baking tin. Thanks for watching.